I wanted to keep this Rolex purchase under $10,000, so this is what I ended up getting. As you can see here, tax ended up being $85.60. Going out to buy a Rolex today, we did some research on Chrono24 to see if there's any local dealers, and then used ChatGPT to actually do comparison research and make sure we're getting the best deal. There it is, Raymond Lee Jewelers.
This is another Submariner, but this is a two-tone Submariner, the black dial and black bezel. And something like this goes for $16,000.
$16,000.
People like to start with the steel
Yeah.
and then work their way up to something with a little bit of gold.
What's the best price on this one?
I have it priced at $16 and comes with the card. This variation of Submariner is very popular.
Do you ever do, let's say someday in the future, I want to like trade this in and like upgrade to a better watch?
Oh, for sure.
You guys do stuff like that?
We do trades all the time.
This is a 126334. 126334 Datejust. What year was this one?
2017.
And that was a 41 millimeter?
You got it.
All right.
Oh, thank you. And I just want to show this one because it is a little bit more dressed up, still in the Datejust range,
Yeah.
still made out of steel, but has diamonds on the dial and has very cool factory Rolex dials.
And what's that one priced at?
This one we have priced at $19,000.
Then why would that one be priced so much higher than like a Submariner?
This is newer, and
Yep.
you are getting some diamonds in here.
So this one is at 16. I mean, that's about what it's going for on Chrono24 right now.
Yep.
Okay, it's anywhere 15,800. Okay, like here's one. This would be considered like good condition, not excellent, but good.
Has a fluted bezel, silver dial, and then it has a Jubilee band. This one is a no-date Submariner. So a no-date Submariners are super popular. They're very good choice to start also. Without the fluted bezel, you have a smooth bezel. The Rolex blue dials are very sought after.
So this is the Datejust, right?
Yeah, that's a 41 millimeter.
And what does something like this go for?
This one we have priced at $16,000. And this is a 2018 model. This is a no-date Submariner. So a lot of the Submariners have the little date window here, like these two have.
So when somebody's starting out, you generally, you see a Datejust or a Submariner as kind of the starting.
Yes. So this is a 41 millimeter Datejust. It's two-tone steel and rose gold. So it is 18 karat. All of modern day Rolex that have gold in them use 18 karat. This is a pretty cool one. It has a mother of pearl diamond dial with the fluted bezel.
I was just looking it up, the 126331. And what is this priced at?
This one we have priced at $20,995.
So the retail was originally 15,300 MSRP. And generally, right, you always see that they end up going for more than the MSRP.
Yes.
Yeah. And why is that?
If you can get one for MSRP, we always say go for it. But if you go into a Rolex right now, most of their watches are exhibition pieces. If you're a first-time buyer, you will be put on a wait list. Even for the Submariner that I just showed you, some people are on the wait list for a year, some people 2 years. If you're looking for something like more sought after, like a Daytona, it could be like up to 5 years from what we've seen.
Wow. And what year was this one?
So this is a 36 millimeter two-tone Datejust. This is on a different bracelet. This is on an oyster bracelet, whereas these two are both a Jubilee. This one has no diamonds, fluted bezel, Roman numeral dial, and it is a smaller size, 36. And this is from 2005. Not so in your face, no diamonds or anything.
This is what I ended up getting. Okay. It's a Datejust, the blue dial. And I got it with the original box. And then very importantly, with the papers.